Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Kriti Gupta on a big-time merger Monday. Kriti, did you see a Kimberly-Clark Kenvue deal coming? Good morning.
Good morning, Nathan. It definitely wasn't on my deals bingo card. In fact, when I woke up this morning, it felt like a slow news day. I think I totally jinxed it.
Yeah, so much for that.
I know, but it is an M&A kind of Monday. I'll start with Kimberly-Clark. To your point, KMB is your ticker for Kimberly-Clark. Kenvue, the maker of Tylenol, which is the spinoff of Johnson & Johnson, KVUE is the ticker there. Shares jumping, get this, Nathan, 35% in the pre-market after Kimberly-Clark agreed to buy the consumer health company. This isn't even a rumor. This is happening. It's official. In a cash and stock deal that's really valuing the company at about $48.7 billion. The classic M&A arbitrage, you are seeing Kimberly-Clark shares, KMB, slump by as much as 16% in the pre-market. So seeing quite a bit of a move there. I just want to go through some of the deal details if I can. Kenvue holders are looking to get $3.50 per share and a portion of Kimberly-Clark shares per Kenvue stock. So that is a pretty interesting deal merger. And already you are seeing this stuff really just, the stock is just flying this morning. KVUE, like I said, higher. It looks like it's now paired its gains, but now higher by 22%. It was higher by as much as 35% on the news earlier. It's not the only M&A story we've got going on. And this is actually one of your biggest movers to the upside. Dell is moving quite a bit this morning. This comes after, and just so many screens open, Nathan. I can't even keep up this morning. But Dell Technologies rising about 5% initially after I want to say Iren, I-R-E-N, secures a $9.7 billion AI cloud contract, and they are looking to enter into agreement with Dell to buy equipment for another set of GPU systems with NVIDIA. So again, that kind of spaghetti chart that I think has been circulating in terms of cloud and the AI investments, let's add two more names to that. Dell Technologies, DELL, higher by 4% this morning, trading at $168 a share, almost $169. We'll just round it up and call it even. Iren, I-R-E-N, is the other ticker worth keeping an eye on, higher by 21% this morning, $73 and change as we speak. So lots going on in the M&A space. Those are the two major deals you definitely want to keep an eye on. I do want to bring to everyone's attention one that is taking a little bit of a hit this morning. It's one that definitely, again, was not on my bingo card. Marsh McClenon is getting a pretty volatile reaction to a cut, a ratings change over at Bank of America. They got cut to underperform, a price target of $181 a share. They're currently trading at $176. MMC is your ticker, down about 1%. But this is making the rounds because it looks like Bank of America, or at least the analyst, is saying that the price target is now $181, down from $243 they had previously. So a pretty decent cut based on a lower outlook for their organic growth. They're also not seeing any near-term catalyst to support the company's stock. So pretty brutal revision of their take on Marsh McClenon. MMC really taking it off the chin there, down about 1%, Nathan.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.